When my enemies come
in one way,
I will they scatter
in 7 ways. I am too defended to be a victim.
My people, na good evening, especially my Nigeria people wey dey hear wetin I dey talk. Wetin I see this evening, now I say me I just rush tell una because I dey hear say people dey talk am for messenger, dey talk am for WhatsApp. I dey feel say maybe dem just wan talk. This one now I come take know say no be say dem just wan talk o. I don dey believe now say no be say dem wan just talk. If I talk say people dey wey wan just talk, for me now me don believe say na truth, na all of dem dey talk because I bin dey doubt dem before. Wetin happen inside last 2 weeks, one boy write me for Imo. As he write me for Imo, he say hello. Now I say hi, who are you? He say he just a friend. I mean not know the person. I no give that kind of person my number. How come? I know say Imo, anybody fit add you, he go come out for Imo, but the person not come out for WhatsApp and I no get the number. He say he just like you. Are you married? Now I say yes, so I have married with 2 kids. He say okay, I'm sorry, he not go disturb you again. Now I say okay, thank you. He cut the phone. He drop, he not write again, not be calling, na writing for Imo. Then about last 2 days, abi 3 days, when I wake up for sleep, I still see the same person, video call, missed call. I look and say this person I no understand am, wetin dey happen? I no arrest. Then this yesterday morning, I still see missed call again, video call, the same person. This person, if I talk say dem even send am call, he no go use the brain. Wetin dey happen? So as I dey this evening now, I just dey study for where I sit down put for chair for my parlour here. The same call come. I say okay, me go pick this call now. Me I see wetin this person wan talk. I don first tell you say I be married woman with children. Why you come be say now again with your video call and all those things? Me I just called, me I pick the call, me I clear am once. Na so I take pick the call. As I pick the call, I carry my phone go up because I no know the person. I no know with the level wey e take come, whether you wan just know me, you wan just know my face, I no understand. Now I carry my phone go up. As I carry my phone go up, now I hello. As me carry my phone go up, me dey see him own pass say e no show him face. As me come say hello, now I come say me no understand you. You call person with video call. You dey carry, you no dey where light dey. Okay, wetin you wan do? Me no understand. Why? He say you no dey see me. So na so you come go take stand for where light dey and the place not still bright. You just show say yes, no be Europe. So na so me come take carry the phone. Good. I come dey talk to the guy. Say wetin you dey find? He say whether I don marry. So if you ask me this question about last 2 weeks, you think say maybe I don't remember you? You first ask me, I tell you say I get children, I don marry. Say me I no vex, he no go talk and come again. As he dey talk this thing, say he no go talk and come again, he dey talk like say he dey chew his finger, and the ring wey he hold for hand, na me come dey see dey chew his finger like say maybe he dey talk with the finger like microphone. Because as they talk through his finger, may go they come out for the ring, may he affect him mama, affect him papa, not be me, because the one wey dey inside me, but he is more than the one that is in him. So now I come say I don't first tell you say I be married woman. He say okay, me I not vex. He not go talk and come again. Can we be friends? Now we are already friends. But let's say me you know they disturb again with this your call. All those things, not they call me because I know if they pick your call. I just say me I pick and me I hear wetin you want talk. Because me they study now. I show on the paper where they study. As I see they talk, you see they go still carry the hand go. They go still carry and call. Like person will be say if they get wetin they talk for the hand. Now me come ask and say where you dey? He say he from Nigeria. I know say na from Nigeria. Where are you calling from? The guy say na Ghana he for the call. Okay, na Ghana you for the call. He say yes. And I say as for me, I not dey Ghana. He say where me dey? I say as for me, I not dey Ghana. I not dey Nigeria. You understand? And I say well, I dey busy. I no fit talk again. I don't tell you wetin I want tell you. I dey say because okay, me I leave you now. Hope say you will call me tomorrow. I no fit call you tomorrow. Wetin I want call you for? No be person wey person you and I get contact. I no get wetin I want tell you. He say okay, he go call you. Now I say okay, make bye bye. And so I take cut the phone. As I cut the phone, my body don dey change, my system don dey change, my heart don dey shake. This one no be say tell me tell you. My heart don dey shake, my body or my system no be the one wey I dey talk so small. I come say wetin dey happen? This guy say he dey Ghana, and the hand wey take dey talk, I dey see ring. That ring wey be like say maybe na head of all those evil people, all those that masquerade head. Na he dey this thing. I say maybe this guy dey talk to me with the hand wey dey talk for the put for mouth. Just maybe dey incarnate for that this thing. I no know. Cause thank God say me and I no too talk, because maybe if we too talk now, maybe for pass that one. Before you know wetin dey happen, my system don dey change, my heart don dey shake, all my body, my head, no be the way. Na so I take get up, I carry my Bible, I start to dey pray, I dey pray, my body still dey get as e be. Now I say okay, may not be like say now let me go and dey house, may not come be like say another thing na it go come happen. Now I carry my leg, I run, follow step, I carry my key, I open door, I dey call my senior brother, cause na me and I talk last. Okay, me I let her know say guys, see wetin dey happen o, I no understand the system o. My brother no carry phone. Na so one spirit come take tell me say make me call that person, because me dey return her to back to sender. I return it back to you. I return it back to you. Every evil plan, the owners of evil load, carry your load. Is not for me. You understand? That the wrong person as you call, no matter what, you not fit. Because say touch no my anointing and do my prophet no harm. He that is in me is greater than him that is in you. If I thought say you dey find anything, say maybe you dey find anything. Na money my own na negative, because no way wey go take work. Na so my spirit just tell me say I no say no be my spirit, na God na he talk through me, na he talk say call that lie back again. As you dey return this thing to sender, so make you dey return her to am straight direct. Na so I take carry my phone again. I died the line with video, with no number, with on normal call, no be video call again. Now so the guy take carry the phone. As he carry the phone, I start to return her back, say back to sender. I return it back to you. Your evil plan will not work. That talk when you dey talk for your finger, go dey give your wetin that they call her that ring. Na wrong person, now you dial. Tell the person where he send you come say you not see me for her, because na the wrong person, na rock now you jam. Na rock now you jam. Because you no fit, no way where you go take fit. Go back to that person, say the person where you go call, so no, because my head too strong pass your own. Na God na he create me. Since na evil you say he create you, my own na God na he create me. He not just create me say he create pikin. He just create me say yes, come to this world, no man no woman, because I pass you. He say you know the hear wetin you dey talk. Oh, hello. Now you hear, you know, you say return back to sender. All your evil plan, everything wey you do with that call wey you call me, because I don't know you before. With that call wey you call me, dey talk for that ring, all is back to you. So my brothers and sisters, wetin make me do this video so? Because if I say me I start to dey talk, me I continue this talk. So the way wey take dey do me, e go too much. So wetin make me dey tell una so? More na careful. Anybody wey dey call una for video call, una no install that number. This one don show me sense. Now my imo na me wan block am, because the number no come out for WhatsApp, e no come out for anywhere. Why e be say na imo if for come out? I no know. So anybody dey call una with video call, una no know that person. Abeg una no dey carry. People first dey talk and say una no dey carry video call wey una no know. Na so person this, na so. I think say na lie. Sometimes I go look and go just dey laugh. Which kind thing be this one? I don still come again. Wetin una wan get? This one wey me dey talk, so I no get wetin I wan get. They no dey pay me. I go share am now say make people take no. Na no be say maybe they wan pay me because my lie. I don talk. So I no get register with anything. If I even get register, say I no believe say na this one, because no be YouTube. So I beg, anything wey una dey do, people dey call una, anything wey una dey do, una dey careful. If to say no be my sharp brain now say yes, I sharp, say I don't know you before. Wetin me I do wan come dey talk? He say he dey Ghana. Wetin concern you wey he dey Ghana with person wey dey Europe here? Na him make me quick cut the call. If not now, maybe na another person now say guy don dey line dey talk. Na so you go dey follow am dey talk, dey talk. Before you know wetin dey happen with the big chain wey he put for neck like dog. You na so go dey follow am dey talk now. Before you know wetin dey happen, 1 hour go reach. maybe before you go talk finish, you go even dey see am with video say the person im enemy don die before you go cut phone. So abeg my brothers and sisters, na that one say me I come tell una o. Una good evening. As una lis ten to the message, if una fit share am, una share am. If una no fit still share am, problem no dey, because I no go say maybe you no share am, who share am, because na word of encouragement and word of advice. So who still hear am now say this thing wey in hear, so only in one no go share am, you want make you still share am with your friends, you fit still share am. But I prefer say just if you lis ten, make you still save people, like make people still take get the idea say na truth this thing dey happen. So na good evening, may God bless una. So una take lis ten to me, na truth na I talk. This thing wey I dey talk so na lie na I dey talk, say e no happen. God dey look me. I no fit use God name in vain, and I no fit come still dey swear for myself now, because this one wey me dey talk so na advice na I use am take advise people. If una see video, I no say una bring money for my account, una fill my phone, no, or una fill this one, make I take give una the information, no. If una see video call wey be say una no install the number, una no know the person, una be careful. Who wan carry fit still carry o. If you still know say yes you carry, your head strong, say yes nothing dey happen, you fit still carry. I know say dem no fit do charge of God don cover with the blood of Jesus, dem no fit do anything. He come now na rock he come jam. So anybody wey know say go fit still carry am, e fit still carry. But for my own advice, abeg make una no carry. Me, I no dey carry this kind call again, because I no even know. Because since then I be not carry, I not talk. Now I just okay, wetin dey happen na make me be carry am. But I don get am for mind. I say no matter what, if person dey call, make dey call. Anything wey dey do, I no know you, I no know you, I no dey carry. So now make me say me I still let una know, because if you believe in God, they not dey use believe in. I believe in God, take dey drink hot water. So if you believe in God, no mean say me you go dey use and take dey play. So God know my mind, say yes I be innocent. So thank God for wetin He do for me this evening. So God bless you.